guys, I don't know if you guys are hooked on TikTok like I am, but I am going to be trying out a 3-ingredient pumpkin bread today. It's supposed to be like a Starbucks dupe. Um, if you see this video, it means it worked. But so on TikTok, they did use a spice cake mix, but I did not see that anywhere in my store. So I'm using this gingerbread mix. And then we're also going to use some eggs. We're going to need a can of pumpkin puree. So those are the 3 ingredients, but mine is actually going to be 4, I guess, because I'm going to use a little bit of the Lily's dark chocolate baking chips, and these are no sugar added. So let's go ahead and start getting everything mixed together. Oh, and then also I do have my stove preheated to 350 degrees, and here is my loaf bread pan. Okay, so in my bowl, I have my gingerbread cake mix in here. And what I did first too, because you know, when you get cake mix out of the box, it's like, you know, some lumps in it. So just take your whisk and just kind of, you know, push down, break some of those lumps up. And then I also scooped in the can of pumpkin in here as well. So what I'm going to do, so now this actually moves it up to 5 ingredients, but these are the chocolate chips and the pumpkin pie spice are optional. You don't have to add this, but because I'm using the gingerbread, which is, you know, has its own nice spice of its own, you don't have to use the pumpkin spice seasoning, but I am going to add a little bit because why not? So we're going to get just a little bit of the pumpkin spice. I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys, so forgive me if it's not steady. All right, I think that's enough. We don't want to over season it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and get all of this mixed together, and then I'm going to add in my eggs. All right, so I have both of my eggs in, and then now I have here is 1 cup of the Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. I'm going to get that in. And then the only thing you need to do now is just give everything a good mix until it's all well combined. Okay, so I have my loaf pan that's already sprayed down with the Pam baking spray. You can use whatever you like to use to grease your pans. And we're just going to get our batter in. And like I said, my oven is already preheated to 350 degrees. And according to TikTok, this bakes for about anywhere between 40 and 50 minutes. But of course, you know, it just really depends on your oven. You want to check it. But like I said, this is a TikTok recipe. I'm hoping and crossing my fingers that it comes out good because I love the Starbucks pumpkin bread. And because now I guess this makes it ingredient number 6. I do have some pumpkin seeds, because I think Starbucks puts pumpkin seeds on top of theirs, if I'm not mistaken. I think they do. I remember the last time I had it. Let me move this out of the way. Let me get this kind of spread in here evenly. Okay, and then I have a little bit of pumpkin seeds. And put a little bit on top. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, and when we come back, we'll cut it up and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so I need to let this cool off, but I wanted to show you the pumpkin bread. You can see those chocolate chips kind of bursting through and our pumpkin seeds. So we're gonna let this cool before we take it out of our loaf pan and then give it a slice. All right guys, so here is our banana bread loaf, and I'm just giving it a slice. Oh, well, here we go. I just wanted to show you the inside. It's still a little bit warm, so it's coming apart. But there we go, guys. I hope that you guys give this a try. You can definitely go on TikTok and find all kinds of 3-ingredient cake hack recipes on there. I'm going to try one next week I saw with yellow cake mix and bananas for banana bread. But if you give it a try, definitely know down below. Also tag your favorite TikTok recipe in the comment section. I would love to hear that from you. And until the next recipe, take care.